We need to sew a ballerina outfit. Now, let's sew a bodysuit. We did it! Let's sew the pieces together. Press the pedal to sew. Keep it up. Let's iron out all the wrinkles. Drag the iron and slide it over your clothes to iron them. Keep up the good work. Let's try on the clothes. Drag the clothes onto Alice. You're doing great. Hooray! Now let's sew the pieces together. Amazing! Let's iron out all the wrinkles. And now let's repeat the action on the right side. Keep it up. Let's try on the clothes. Oh! Keep it up. Alice needs a puffy skirt. Let's sew it. Grab the templates and drag them to the fabric. Let's cut. We did it! Now we're sewing the puffy skirt. Keep it up. Let's iron the puffy skirt. That's all. Try the outfit on the doll. Amazing! Let's sew point. Don't stop. Let's try on the clothes. Oh! Done! All that's left is to sew a bolero. Let's put the templates on the fabric. Let's cut. Keep up the good work. Let's sew the pieces together. Done! Try the outfit on the doll. Keep it up. What a delicate outfit! We just need to add some jewelry. Drag the accessories to the doll.
Oh!
Alice looks stylish. Alice is dancing so beautifully. Well done, Alice. That was a fantastic performance. You're doing great.